Hey everyone, today's cheer makeup look is for Southaven Wildcats. They chose a silver smoky eye with a classic red lip that is definitely going to get noticed when you hit the mat. I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get this look, so grab your makeup and let's get started.
So I'm starting by applying primer to my lids, and this will help to lock in the eyeshadow color. Then I'm adding loose setting powder under my eyes. This is optional, but it helps catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup super easy later. So now we're moving on to the eyeshadow look. Start with the white eyeshadow and use your fingertip to apply it onto the inner corner of your eyelid and into the middle of your lid. You can also use a foam applicator to apply the color. Use a fluffy brush to blend it in. Next, I'm using a dome-shaped brush to apply the matte gray color into my crease. Gently press it into the crease and then use a fluffy brush to blend it through the crease. Flip back to the dome-shaped brush and apply the gray color in the outer corner in a V shape. Then use the fluffy brush to blend it in. Switch back to the dome-shaped brush and pick up the black eyeshadow. Press it into the outer corner in a V shape. If you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you can line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow. Then use the fluffy brush to blend it in. So next we're using the shimmery gray eyeshadow, so use your fingertip to apply that color onto the inner lid and middle lid. If you want eyeliner under the eye, use the dome-shaped brush to lightly apply the black eyeshadow under the lash line. Then use the shimmery gray color with the dome-shaped brush and stack that right on top the black under the eye. If you have sensitive eyes, be careful about getting any eyeshadow into your eyes. That can cause your eyes to get irritated. Now it's time for liquid glitter. So add the liquid glitter just in the center of the eye and the middle of the lid. Gently spread the product from the lash line up to the crease for a little pop of sparkle in the center of the eye. This product takes a minute to dry, so keep your eyes closed as you fan your eyes. If I'm in a rush, I'll use a blow dryer on the cool setting, and that will dry the liquid glitter quickly. So now I'm adding mascara, and I always put on 2 coats to bring out my lashes and give them some length. If you added setting powder earlier, you can now sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. So now it's time for lips. To start with, I'm using a makeup wipe to clean my lips of any oils, lip balm, or makeup. Then grab your lip stain pen and give it a good shake. I like to apply it by lining my lips first and then filling in my lips after. Let it dry completely for about a minute. And to keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. And that's the finished look for Southaven Wildcats. I love this smoky eye so much. The extra sparkle in the center of the lid is so pretty. This look is totally going to pop on the mat. Sending good vibes to you all, so have a great season, everyone.